Hi everyone, I'm Liam, and in this quick tip video, I'm going to show you how to personalize your Lightroom interface by adding your own logo and fonts, taking this to this in just a few simple steps. This little known feature is called the Identity Plate and offers a great way to add your business branding to Lightroom, which is especially useful if you do in-person sales or anything else where your Lightroom software is client-facing. To begin with, you're going to need a transparent PNG file of your logo. There's limited space in which the logo will need to fit, so a wider and less tall logo will work best. So I'm going to use my name logo, and I'm also going to add one of my brand marks next to that in Photoshop. When it comes to sizing your file, you want to make sure that the height is no more than around 45 pixels. Save the file as a PNG with a transparent background, and you're good to go. From there, open Lightroom and head to the top menu where you'll either click on Lightroom if you're using a Mac or on the edit menu if you're using a PC, and in there you're going to find Identity Plate Setup. Give that a click and this will show the dialog box that allows us to customize the appearance. The default identity plate will either be Adobe ID, as we can see in this case, or Lightroom Classic. And what we're going to do is select Personalized. From here we can make adjustments to both the identity plate itself and the typeface for the module picker buttons. Starting on the left with the styled text option, you can type in anything you like and then select the font, style, size and color of that text. Alternatively, you can choose the option to use a graphical identity plate, and that's what I'm going to do. So from here you can click to locate the file, and I'm going to choose the one that I just created. Now moving over to the right, I can also make adjustments to the module picker buttons, including the font, style, size and color. And because I've already added my brand's fonts to the font folder, I can simply click the drop down here, locate the font and select it. And then I can go ahead and choose the size and color that I want to use. And that's it. Now I have a custom Lightroom interface featuring my logo and brand font. I hope you found this quick tip useful. If you did, drop a comment down below and also be sure to share a screenshot of your freshly jazzed up identity plate on the Quest Facebook group. Thanks for watching.